The SoleMate is our ultimate all-in-one foot restoration and balance training tool that comes with everything you need to revolutionize your lower body health, all in a portable, durable, and multi-purpose package. Made of ethically sourced and sustainable cork that's naturally antimicrobial, it's easy to clean and has an amazing feel underfoot. The various components and configurations allow you to use it as a massage and release tool, a slant board for mobility and strength work, and of course as a balance beam that can be both accessible and challenging for almost all levels of ability. The bands that hold it all together are perfect for training key aspects of toe function that are foundational to the stability and healthy movement of our feet. And with the full SoleMate kit, you can restore your natural toe splay and dexterity, all while having a heap of fun. To help you navigate all of this, we've created a comprehensive SoleMate training system and manual that together provide the most scalable and sustainable approach to improving lower body health and function. We achieve this through drills and routines that incorporate elements of strength, mobility, and coordination, all of which make the training more effective for your feet and balance, while also being a great way to improve your attention and focus. In this sense, it can become like a moving meditation, helping you find a playful flow state that brings you into the present moment and builds a deeper awareness and connection with your whole body. When you combine all of these benefits, you have an amazingly powerful practice for physical and mental health that also supports your ability to engage in the activities that you love and even explore learning new movements and skills that inspire you. While having the SoleMate around the house or office and just getting on it frequently will be beneficial, there are some key ways that you can maximize the benefit from your SoleMate training. First up is be consistent. Consistency of training is the key foundation that you can build everything else on top of. Even if you don't have time for a full routine on any certain day, spending even just 1 or 2 minutes is better than nothing. Over time, this consistency will create a habit that will serve you for a lifetime. Second, start small and build gradually. With any new practice, doing too much too soon is an easy mistake to make. SoleMate training will have your feet and body moving and loading in new ways, and it takes time to adapt to this change. So it's important to start small, listen to your body's signals, and adapt appropriately by changing the duration or the difficulty of the training. The key to making sustainable progress is to stay in the Goldilocks zone of not too easy and not too hard, which makes the training fun and addictive. Taking videos of your practice or noting down time scores can be a great way to stay motivated and ensure you are progressing over time. Our training manual will help you navigate this process, but at the end of the day, it's up to you to play and explore with the different variables to suit your needs. And last up, connect with others. Sharing your journey with other people who can support or inspire you along the way is the ultimate strategy to building a sustainable practice. Of course, a great option is to find a local SoleMate, like a partner, friend, or family member who's keen to train with you, but this can often be easier said than done, which is why we've created our TFC online community to help connect you with other people who have the same interest and passion for improving their foot health and balance. For less than the cost of a coffee a week, the Explorer membership gets you special access to weekly live SoleMate training sessions, as well as support through forums and regular live calls where your questions can be answered by our growing community. Our mission here at TFC is to help you create more foot and movement freedom in your life, and when you're ready to take the first step, we'll be here ready to guide you along the journey.